kids, it's Ozzie here. Today we are going to have plenty of fun because we've come along, check these out, to Monster Jam. That's right, we're going to check out some monster trucks, plenty of trucks to check out. Let's go and get up close. Come on kids. Now just before we get started on today's episode, kids, let me just remind you about our merch items available on our website, like our mini Aussie hat made just for kids' heads. One of my favourites, Aussie socks, with a nice little message reminding you to always stay keen. You can get yourself a sweatband, just like Aussie's, but even cooler, with Aussie's logo. Or a mini replica Aussie tee made just for you kids. Or, brand new to our website, is our personalised video message made just for you from Ozzie. Right now available on our website, aussieforkids.com.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here. Today we are going to have plenty of fun because we've come along, check these out, to Monster Jam. That's right, we're going to check out some monster trucks. We have got some spooky monster trucks. That's right, monster trucks. Check them out. This is going to be fun. Yoo! Absolutely massive. It's Gravedigger. Look at those wheels. Kids, check it out. It's Gravedigger, one of the original monster trucks. I love its colours, green and purple. And how good's the skull on the side? I love this one. Ah! Check out Black Panther. We can get up close and personal to this one. Look at the size of those wheels. They're as tall as Ozzie. How cool is that one? Black Panther from Marvel. Look at the rubber. Big, thick tyres. Look at the engine. Look at all those things inside there. Wowee. It'd be super fun driving one of those, wouldn't it? What's your favourite monster truck?
Grave digger.
Grave digger.
Me too.
Oh, that's mine as well. Have fun, guys. Stay keen. See ya. Kids, I found another superhero. It's Iron Man. Iron Man. And look, that's the guy that drives Iron Man. Woo! He gave Ozzie a thumbs up. How lucky am I? Check out these massive tyres. I love these things. And they're super bouncy. When you watch them, when we get inside, you can watch them go up in the air and they bounce super high. And that's because of these things. They're shocks. That's the suspension. And look how far they can squish down and then bounce back up. And that's what keeps the car bouncing and stopping these things from popping. And check out all this stuff. Big safety cage in there, some fuel, some petrol, and then lots and lots of stuff. So there you go. So that's Iron Man. It's definitely one of my favourites. All right, kids, check out Max D. Ew, how good is this one? I love the colours, I love the spikes, I love the wheels, and I love all this gear back here. Wow, check it out up close. It is very, very cool. Can't wait to see this one in action inside the arena, doing its flips, its handstands, and driving around super fast. This one definitely fits the monster theme. Look at that face coming out of the side of a truck. Definitely one of the scariest ones I've seen here today. And these spikes, woo! I wonder if they're sharp. They're not sharp. Stay keen. Can I get a high five? Good to see you, buddy. Kids, be careful next to this one. It's a giant shark. Check it out. It's called Megalodon. And it's even got fins, just like a shark. How cool is that one? If you look closely, you can see those really sharp, pointy teeth around the front of its mouth. Let's go around the front, see if we can get a closer look. Kids, look at those teeth. That's what happens when you clean your teeth to the Ozzie toothbrushing song, morning and night. They can look that clean and that sharp. Well, maybe not that big and that sharp, but how cool are they? Kids, check it out. I found Spider-Man. I wonder if, like the real Spider-Man, it fires webs out the front. I'm not sure about that, but I reckon it's going to jump pretty high and sail through the sky, just like Spider-Man. Kids, I'm going crazy, a little loco. I'll throw a loco. Kids, this is definitely one of my favorites, El Toro Loco. Look at those teeth and those horns. Ew. woo, like a raging bull. This one's going to go off in the show. You watch it. This can do some seriously cool tricks. Kids, this place is absolutely pumping with excitement. There's happy people everywhere. There is monster truck fans, and there is some very, very cool cars, monster trucks, that I'm checking out today. We're not even inside yet. It's going to be full of excitement. Let's go find some more. So it's Tony Stark, right?
Well, Tony Oaks is my...
No, the real Tony Stark. It's the real Tony Stark.
That's right.
So I'm Ozzie, it's nice to meet you. I just want to know, what is the best trick you're going to do tonight?
I really love the backflip, but it's all about making it there first.
Yeah, of course.
If I don't end up upside down before I get the opportunity to do a backflip.
Upside down, then land on your feet.
Yeah, I hope so.
Good stuff. And how long did it take you to become a driver?
Well, this is my 9th season driving, and I actually started with the company as a motorcycle mechanic, a stunt motorcycle crew chief.
There you go.
On a live Marvel superhero stunt show that is owned by Feld Entertainment.
No way.
Which owns Monster Jam. So
amazing.
It's like a sister company.
Yep.
And then ended up working my way into a Monster Jam truck. And
worked your way up.
Yep.
And now you get to drive it.
Yeah, that's right.
So kids out there, the message is, follow your dreams, stay keen. You can be just like Tony, or Iron Man as he's known.
That's right. You got to be persistent, work hard, and work towards your goal. You'll get there. You can do anything you want.
Absolutely. Good message. Good luck tonight, Tony. I mean, Iron Man.
That's
and
right.
have fun.
All right. Take care.
Cheers, man. So Miranda, how are you feeling about today's show?
This is beautiful weather. It's going to be a great night.
Awesome. You got any special tricks lined up for us?
Oh man, I want to get some big air. You know what? My technician has really gotten this thing dialed in. So
Yeah, right.
tonight I'm going to air it out, and I'm definitely going to hopefully have some cool saves.
Yeah, cool saves. I like the
Yeah,
cool
I like
saves
that.
because sometimes you do get into a bit of trouble, but you got to practice all that driving
Right.
and make sure you get those wheels lined up and then save it and then flip over again.
You got to hit things crooked a little bit, and that's how you get the cool saves too.
How long does it take you to learn this stuff? How long have you been driving for?
Sometimes I've been driving for about five full years. But I mean, it's been, so I didn't drive for a couple years due to COVID, but I came back, and it's been amazing. Traveling the world, I'm on the international tour. So.
Not a bad gig, I reckon. And for the
No.
kids out there that want to become a monster truck driver, I guess you just got to work hard, stay keen, keep at it.
And face your fears, because you know what? You got to go after what you want and what you dream of.
I love it. Great message, kids. Stay keen, face your fears. It's not always going to be easy.
No, I'm afraid of spiders, and I still have to face that sometimes.
Yeah, but you drive Thor.
I
You
know,
just drop
right?
that hammer,
That's
get
right.
that air, and good luck tonight.
That's right.
Miranda, lovely to meet you.
Thank you
Stay
so
keen.
much, yeah.
These are cool. So kids, we've been around, we've checked out all of these monster trucks. Now it's almost time to get inside and check out the show. I think my favourite is still Gravedigger. So let's go Gravedigger. Let's go and check him out inside. Actually, I think my favourite is Thor. No, I think it's Iron Man. Or was it Black Panther? Or was it Spider-Man? I don't know. I love them all, and I can't wait to get inside. Let's go. Come on, kids. Look, that is the Monster Truck Stadium. Look at the massive jumps. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's one of the drivers out there checking it out. He's checking out all the dirt and the jumps, and soon it's going to get really loud. Might have to put our headphones on, our earmuffs, safety first, because those trucks are going to come in there. They're going to tear around that dirt, jump off those jumps, get super air, and see the wall right at the back there? They're going to hit that. That's where they're going to do the backflips. That's fun. Wait for that. Woo! Let's go! All right, kids, we've met some drivers, we've seen all the trucks, we've seen the course. It is going to get super loud, it's going to get dark, and it's going to be lots of fun. So I'm going to go find my seat. You guys kick back and enjoy the show. We'll see you on another brand new episode of Ozzie this weekend. Until then, stay keen. I'm going to have some fun. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of